Hey there. So, you're passionate about nutrition and you're probably wondering, what's my next big career move? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Let's dive into how you can make your next step a real game changer. You've put in the hours, you've got the degree, and you genuinely want to help people live healthier lives. But maybe it feels like you've kind of hit a wall. You see these amazing specialized jobs popping up, and you're thinking, how do I get there? What's my path? It really boils down to this one simple difference. As a generalist, you've got a fantastic, broad understanding of nutrition. But today's market, it's looking for specialists. People with deep, focused knowledge in areas like sports nutrition or critical care or pediatrics. It's about going from knowing a little about a lot to knowing everything about one really valuable niche. And we're not talking about a small trend here. This is a massive, massive opportunity. The health and wellness scene in India is absolutely exploding. But here's the key. It's not looking for more generalists. It's hungry for experts. Let's look at why. Just to give you a sense of the scale here, back in 2020, India's wellness market was already worth a staggering 78 billion US dollars. That's billion with a B. This is a huge industry with so much room for specialized careers to grow. And that growth isn't just a flash in the pan. The market is set to grow at a steady 5% clip all the way through 2032. Now, what does that mean for you? It means sustained, reliable demand for skilled, specialized professionals. This quote just nails the why behind all this. There's been a huge shift in how we think about health. It's not just about curing sickness anymore. It's about preventing it. People want to optimize their health, manage chronic conditions, and give their kids the best start. And for that, they need real experts. Okay, so the demand is there. The opportunity is real. How do you actually become that expert everyone is looking for? Well, you need a clear path. Let's take a look at how Medvarsity's courses are literally designed to be the bridge that takes you from general knowledge to expert practice. What's so great is that there's a whole spectrum of options here. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out and need a solid foundation, or you're ready to dive deep into advanced clinical topics. There are specific, focused tracks for high-demand areas like sports, critical care, and pediatric nutrition. It's a structured curriculum designed to get you where you want to go. So, what makes these courses so effective? Well, for starters, they've got global credibility. We're talking accreditation from bodies like the British Accreditation Council. But more importantly, this isn't just textbook theory. The whole curriculum is built around real-life case studies. And the goal? To give you practical clinical skills you can literally start using on day one. Now, let's get to the really exciting part, turning all this incredible knowledge into actual career growth. Because upskilling isn't just for fun, right? It's about making a real impact on your professional future and, let's be honest, your salary. Think of your career like this three-step ladder. You start out with your degree as a competent practitioner. That's step one. Specialization is what takes you to step two, becoming proficient. And from there, you can climb to step three, becoming a true expert and a leader in your niche. And here's where it gets really motivating. Look at these numbers. A fresher might start out making somewhere between 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs, but a specialist and a senior role, you're looking at 8 to 15 lakhs, maybe even more. That is a life-changing jump, and specialization is the key that unlocks it. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's look at a powerful, real-world example that shows how a single certificate can give you a concrete, measurable advantage in the job market. So, picture this. The Sports Authority of India, SAI, posts a job opening for a nutritionist. This is a dream job, a super prestigious government position. You just know the competition is going to be fierce. Hundreds of qualified people are going to apply.
And for good reason. The salary is 75,000 rupees a month. It's a fantastic opportunity. So the big question is, with a whole pool of smart, qualified people, how does SAI choose? What gives one person that winning edge?
This is where we need to talk about competitive advantage. It's that one special factor on your resume that makes the hiring manager stop, point, and say, okay, this person has something extra. So in a situation like this, what do you think it could be?
And here's the answer. It's printed right there in black and white in the official hiring criteria. They literally award points for qualifications, and having a certificate course in sports nutrition gets you 10 extra marks. 10! That's not just a nice little bonus. That could be the single thing that gets you the job.
So All of this brings us right back to you and your future. It's about being strategic. It's about charting a deliberate path from being a good practitioner to becoming a recognized, in-demand expert. This journey is a beautiful cycle of growth, really. You start out as competent, fresh with your degree. Then, with focused learning in a specific niche, you become proficient. And by staying dedicated and always learning, you build on that to become an expert, someone who not only practices, but actually leads. And that whole cycle is fueled by specialized education.
So, the takeaway here is pretty simple. The demand for nutrition experts isn't some far off future trend, it is here, right now. The path to becoming one is clear and totally achievable through specialization. So, the only real question left is which niche are you going to master?